Hello viewers, peace be upon you and welcome to another video. Today in this video we will teach you how to calculate SPEI data calculation. The entire procedure will be shown step by step in this video. To do this work with me, please watch the video until the end and I will show you the arrangement of data. First of all, we need three data as precipitation and Tmax T minimum data, where Tmax stands for maximum temperature data and T min stands for minimum temperature data. All these three data are needed for this calculation, and we need only latitude of the area where we want to do this calculation. First of all, we have to arrange this data according to year, month, precipitation, Tmax and T minimum, and we can arrange this data according to month 1 to 12 months, T max and T minimum data. After that, after arranging this data in a Excel sheet, we have to save this data, and we have to change the name in a short form for the calculation. If you save the file name in a easy format, then it will be helpful to calculate the SPEI data. I have saved it as the name trial because I want to do a trial work for you. Okay. Then we have to open RStudio. Okay. We are going to open RStudio software, and after that we will do the further calculation. We want to erase all this data, clear console. Okay. If you haven't, first of all, we are importing data from our computer. You have to import it. I have my data in this folder, access lat long trial. Okay, then click open. This data are here. Now I want to import it. Import. Okay, I want to clear this. Okay, if you don't have already installed your package, then you can install your package, and I already installed my package. You can check your package from here. You can write down the name, the package you want to use. I want to use the SPEI package. This is already installed in my computer, that's why I am not installing it. You have to click here. Okay, then you can do the further calculation from here. You have to type here the codes, and I'm going to use hargreaves method to calculate this data. So let's see how to calculate. First of all, I have typed here trial, then $sign. Okay, then I want to calculate the PET, that stands for potential evapotranspiration for this data, and I'm using hargreaves method. Okay, then trial. Tmin. Okay, dollar comma t max trial dollar t max comma latitude. The latitude of the area I want to calculate the SPEI is 8.013. You can use any specific latitude data. Okay, then next you can go to the next line by clicking enter. Here you can see I have already get my PET data. That means potential evapotranspiration. I already get this data. Now let's type trial PET. Okay, this PET potential evapotranspirations are here. I already get this month wise, January, February, March, April. You can get all this data already here. Okay. Actually I want to calculate the SPEI data and PET, that means potential evapotranspiration is needed for this. Now I have to calculate the cumulative balance data, CWBAL. I need this data, CBAL, cumulative balance data, CWBAL. Okay, trial dollar precipitation trial PET enter CWBAL. Okay, cumulative balance data are already here. You can see this. All data are already stands here. Now you can calculate the SPEI data very easily, because all the data PET and cumulative balance data are in your hand now. Now we are forwarding for SPEI calculation, and after that we can also calculate SPEI data according to month, January, February, or 3 months interval, 6 month interval. You can calculate anything from this. We are calculating now SPEI for 3 months. Okay, SPEI 3. Now SPEI CWBAL 3 enter SPEI 3 enter. These are the SPEI data. You can plot the SPEI graph using this data, and it's very easy. Just type a few codes, plot dot SPEI. Okay, SPEI SPEI 3 SPEI 3. Okay, enter. Here you can see we are already plotted a graph for SPEI 3 months interval. Here you can see it's the graph for 3 months interval SPEI data. You can calculate 6 months interval, 12-month interval, 24 and 48. You can calculate anything, any SPEI data from these uh, codes. If you want to calculate 6 months data, then you have to change here in SPEI 3 you have to type SPEI 6. That's it. Then you can calculate anything. And if you want to SPEI, then it's also easy. Now we are going to calculate SPEI for 6 months interval. For this we have typed here SPEI 6 and then we pressed SPEI 6 and then SPEI, we have to type here CWBAL 6. Enter. Here we can get SPEI 6 months interval 6. Okay, that's my 6 months interval SPEI data. Now I want to plot it. PLOT plot. Okay, PLOT SPEI SPEI 6. Okay, another graph already plotted here, SPEI 6. This is the data for SPEI 6, and previously we have plotted data for SPEI 3 months interval, and this one you can check it from by clicking here in back option. This is SPEI data for 3 months interval, and lately we have by clicking here you can see here we have plotted a 6 months interval SPEI data. So guys, you already see the changes here, and it's very easy to calculate the SPEI data, and you can do it by using RStudio apps, and you can also calculate the SPEI data. We will show you how to calculate SPEI data in another video, and till then, thank you for watching.